Hey, good evening, Map here, Map Investments. Want to bring a video today on what happened in the stock market and what kind of trades I did. Opening up here the Thinkorswim mobile app. So here we got the 10 year to 330 up 2 bips, and interest rates have really fallen. Somebody's wrong here. Either the market is wrong and playing chicken with the Fed because the Fed keeps saying they're going to stay higher for longer, so the market's not believing them. Dollar has been falling off a cliff, and right now we're holding that 102 handle, but it's been under 102. It hit 101.85 at the close, open at 101.83. Most foreign currencies right now are are down because the dollar's up a little bit. Bitcoin down to 40 to 28,145. Oil down a smidge, 56 cents, holding that 80 a barrel. S&P down 10 to 4107. Gold down 5 at 2030. The hogs were up a little bit today, but they're still at the lower end of the range. Uh, Live cattle's on 160. Small caps have been hit hard. They're at 1760. Copper 401. Ethereum up to 1903, down 18. Copper holding that 4 level. Nasdaq down 54, above 13K. Dow Jones 33,615, down 41. Nat gas over that $2 mark. Platinum is back over 1,000, and palladium is at the lower end, 1,400. That hasn't moved a lot. Silver is at $25 for the most part. VIX is up 32 cents to almost 21, and all the grains are down a couple pennies. It's pretty amazing how these interest rates keep falling. Someone's in there buying all the debt, and we know who that is. It's the Federal Reserve. On the trade front today, on this account, I did only 4 trades. Let's see what they were. They were probably all closing trades. I've been doing more of my opening trades on the Tasty Work platform. I really enjoy it. It's much easier, and I also got better commission structure, especially on the micro products, micro futures. But I really haven't been trading a lot of futures lately. I'm kind of picking my spots here in the market. I think we're due for a good pullback. So I'm waiting, and I'm not waiting for the market. I'm waiting for the VIX. I'm waiting for the fear gauge to really go up there. I scan the markets every day, and I don't see a lot of juice out there in the options. So you gotta really be picky. Today I bought more Ethereum ETF. I think Ethereum's gonna go much higher. And I do have the ETHE, and I also have the BETO to have some cryptocurrency exposure. And I feel more comfortable buying these because BETO has options. This one doesn't. There may be some management fees associated with these ETFs, but I know my wallet won't disappear, or I'll be able to withdraw my funds for the most part from these brokers. I don't trust these crypto sites, and we can see what will happen with FTX and some of the other ones, Genesis, etc. So I'd rather play it this way to get exposure. I bought my wheat short for a 50% profit. I bought my Comerica Bank Iron Condor for a 50% profit, and I was actually assigned Schwab, 100 shares of Schwab at $65, minus the premiums I've collected since I've been rolling that position, and then I sold the put that I had for 11.20. So I hold 100 shares of Schwab at 65 strike, minus whatever premiums I've collected, and that's fine with me. I think Schwab is a solid company. They own TD Ameritrade, if I'm not mistaken, and they've been big broker, and they've been here for a long time. So that's on the Thinkorswim. Guru focus on Schwab. See what they have Schwab at. So they say Schwab's worth about $83. And the CEO said they've been getting deposits in, and I don't know, maybe an overreaction, maybe it's not. Who knows? I have a couple shares in there. On the Tasty Trade platform, I have the trades here. I pulled them up. So when I was doing the video, I did a broken wing butterfly in deer. I did a iron fly in big lots. I did an iron fly in solar run. I did an iron fly in Carvana. I did a broken wing butterfly in M phase. I did an iron fly in Pac West. I sold the put credit spread in UNG. I did an iron fly with. So these iron flies, let me see. Going back, big lots, I have negative deltas. Like it's skewed for it to go down, because I'm kind of bearish in a lot of this stuff. Solar Run as well, Carvana, Pac West short, Wayfair a little bit short. I did a put credit spread, and these are iron flies. And then I did a put credit spread in XP. I did an iron fly in IFRX, and I closed a calendar spread in a firm for, I want to say it was about 25%, 30% profit, more or less. Yeah. And that was my trades today. I don't know how many I did here. So I did 4 in the other account, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I had 11 trades today. I have some cash, and then I'm setting these positions. These are my positions here, all my positions, and I have them set to close at whatever profit margin that I want. I set them and I pretty much forget them, and hopefully they get to where I want them, and then I redeploy if the IB ranks there. If the IB's low and I get caught in between, I either close it out, or if it's high and I don't make the money I want, I could just defend the position and roll it out. On the news front today, we had bad economic news. There's a good little Twitter page here with Zero Hedge. They put a lot of good content out there. Let me see. They obviously they put out the economic news this morning. I know we had ISM data was lower. The first Atlanta Fed, they estimate, they slashed the GDP to 1.5 from 3.5, which was 10 days ago. So the economy is slipping pretty fast here, folks. The other news that we had today was let's see. The ISM services slumps in March as export orders collapse. So you can look at this chart here. So these guys bring good information. They're not bad. ISM price is 59.5 versus 65, lowest since 2020. Hopefully China will be exporting some inflation soon. ISM services tumble to 51.2. Expectation was 54.4. Last was 55.1. So the economic news is not getting better. Protect yourself. I'm big believer in the precious metals. They're doing well. There was some news. I mean, you can see here precious metals at higher, near record high. So, gotta keep your eye on these precious metals. Silver. Talking about precious metals. 1 second. Gotta turn off my sprinklers. I like keeping my grass green, and that They cut it today. I put all that Scott Miracle Grow as well. Keep my grass green and weed free. I like a pretty. I take pride in my green lawn, my pretty lawn. I get compliments from the neighbors. It's always nice. My voice may sound different because I have a mouth guard on. Sorry, hold on. What I wanted to show you guys was, in regards to gold, was I came over here to APMEX to look at some stuff. I was just curious, and look at what it says on the top. Due to unprecedented demand and market conditions, processing times may be slightly longer than usual. Message from our CEO. No, I don't know. This is like a ploy, but I don't think so because you can see it in the price, and I think as these foreign countries prepare to dish the dollar, you know, you got to take care of yourself and be your own. You see, central banks, they buy gold. And that's one of the articles, another article that I read, and I'll put it up, see if I can find it. But anyways, it says here, APMEX has experienced record volumes resulting in an extended 2-day processing time, which is reflected in the estimated ship date on your order confirmation. As an authorized purchaser of the U.S. Mint and one of the largest precious metal dealers in the industry, we continue sourcing inventory and remain proud of our current in-stock position. As a reminder, Apex will only sell product that is either in stock or our suppliers have confirmed is available in shipping. I am unable to predict when we will return to normal processing times as we continue to experience incredible demand due to market conditions. Additionally, after working several weekends in a row, we owe it to our employees to allow them to enjoy the Easter holiday. Thank you for your patience, and rest assured we'll keep you informed as we continue to make progress. So it's gonna come to a time that if there's more runs on banks and the dollar does plunge, people are gonna be flocking and trying to grab gold, and there may not be any available. I mean, that's just the reality. So make sure you grab some physical stuff and hide it in your treasure chest or wherever you want. I was trying to find the article that central banks were I think it was one of the newer articles. Let's see here. Top Saudi Arabian diplomats to meet in China. Era of U.S. involvement in region is over. JPM, we expect Ethereum to underperform Bitcoin over the coming weeks. This guy put what to do. Strange stuff. There's some strange stuff going down at Disney. So here's the article I was looking for. How a central bank recently used its gold revaluation account to cover losses. I need to read this article. So make sure you get your precious metals, folks. Silver, gold. It's going to get to a point it might be difficult to get. You're seeing it here. Silver. You go to shop. Silver. I wonder how long it would take. Look at these premiums. Wow, amazing. Anyways, the other news that I wanted to touch base on. So I was trying. Okay, so I touched on the economic news. There was other news today that hit the semis, the chips. Was Japan news. Let me see if maybe it was under. Would it be under here? I kind of read it. Right. So Nvidia, Intel, Micron fall. I think I'm a member of Barron's. I don't even remember. Well, anyways, you can look it up. Nvidia, Intel, Micron stock fall as after China calls foul on Japanese and chip restrictions. So The United States and China and Japan are kind of making a pact to not export to China. Let me see if I put chip news. Probably come up with chocolate chip cookies or something. So U.S. chip controls threaten China's technology ambitions. So they were making a pact with Japan, if I'm not mistaken, and the Netherlands. Japan and the Netherlands have joined in limiting access to technology they say might be used to make weapons. So that hit the chips today. Uh, Nvidia was down. Uh, AMD. Let's go to bar chart. It's unfortunate that not a lot of folks watch the videos. Um, that's why sometimes I get discouraged not doing videos all the time. I've been doing it more recently. Maybe I have to go the short route, do like 1 minute YouTube shorts. Maybe the algorithms will pump me up and I get more views. Um, but it's tough to get subscribers on this platform. Maybe the videos are too long. Maybe people are not interested in making money or watching markets. I don't know. To each his own. But then you got a weirdo eating a taco, and he's got a because it makes a crunch sound. Everybody watches him and got 1,000 subscribers, 100,000 subscribers, and 10 million views. I just find that hilarious. Anyways, back on the chips. Nvidia was down 2% to 268. AMD was down 3.5% to 92. Intel was down, not even 1%, but yeah, some of the chips were hit. Overall, it was a down day in the market, and the futures are down as well. I think the market wasn't really doing much today. It was pretty choppy. The Dow Jones was up 80, S&P down 10, Nasdaq was down 1%, and the small caps was down 1% as well. So let me see how Asia is right now. Nikkei's down 1%. I wonder how the Hang Seng's doing. Well, Asia, see all maybe. Let's see how the Hang Seng come out here. We'll see it. No Hang Seng, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, let's take a look at the futures and then pretty much end it there. Yeah, so we got some red in the markets. Continue to like the commodity plays. Gold, silver, ag. Deer was down big today. And oil, the energy plays. Anyways, I'll catch you tomorrow. Like, subscribe, comment below. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.